Today, we are going to tell you a story of one of our customers, Tanay Bhatkar. Tanay is a product manager at Alphabet Incorporated in Mumbai. His first interaction with us happened when he downloaded our Hop-on application and registered himself with us by the following steps. He opened our application, uploaded his Aadhaar card and driver's license, along with linking his phone number. He then filled in his personal information and accepted the terms and regulations. Tanay then chose linking his Paytm wallet to his account out of the options like credit cards or any wallets, else he would have to pay a security deposit with us. After an hour, his documents were successfully verified by the Hop-on company and his registration was completed. Now, we'll take you through the journey of one of his rides with us. On a regular working day, while having breakfast with his wife Shreya, Tanay opens Hop-on mobile application to book a car to reach his office. He tells Shreya that the company's business model is so good that he never felt the need to buy a personal car for themselves. Shreya quickly conveys her willingness to him and they continue to chat and remember their extremely happy previous trips, and they end up making a long drive plan for the weekend outing to Lonavala using Hop-on services. Meanwhile, Tanay checks if any car is available for him under 500 meters. He finds a car. He is able to see the body temperature of the previous users of the car and the company ground staff who cleaned and sanitized the car along with the time of cleaning. He is also able to see in-car interior and exterior pictures from the previous user and notices that the car is clean. Satisfied with the condition of the car, Tanay books it and gets 30 minutes to pick it up from its location. If not, he can also pay an extra amount to keep it booked for long. What would happen if the car is not available under 500-meter radius? In that case, Tanay has an option to automatically schedule the booking prior by purchasing a monthly premium pass. If he has some time, he can also request for a car, and the company arranges to get a car to him under 500 meters radius as quickly as possible. He can also opt for the optional home delivery by paying an extra amount. Now he walks to the car using his in-app navigation where his steps are counted and show the calorie burnt. On reaching parking lot, Tanay got confused as there were many cars and locating the car was tough with his registration. No, he takes out his phone and clicks on the summon button in the Hop-on mobile application and the car honks along with blinking its indicators. He reaches the car. Instead of taking pictures, he just had to check for the damages which are already there shown in the Hop-on mobile application. If any new damage is found, he will upload them. Tanay unlocks the car with his phone and grabs the key from the key holder placed on the dashboard. He checks his temperature from the in-car temperature gun provided by the company and uploads it on the Hop-on mobile application. Tanay quickly slips his phone into the in-car cradle charger as he forgot to charge his phone the previous night. He plays his favorite songs and quickly starts driving.
Excuse me, boss, you have a text message. Excuse me, boss, you have a text message.
Oh, he's getting a request from the nearby carpooler as he opted for the optional carpooling feature in the app. He can also disable it from the app settings or can reject the carpooler's request at that point. While seeing the pop-up for the request, he was able to see how much extra time would be added to his ride for his office and his estimated time of arrival to office. He was fine with it, so he accepted it and he started seeing the name and location of the carpooler Nihar along with nearby landmarks and estimated time of arrival to reach him. He reaches Nihar and picks him up. Nihar gets into the car and quickly measures his temperature with the in-car temperature gun and uploads it on the Hop-on mobile application. Nihar feels fine with the wait time as he was able to track Tanay continuously in real time. They started chatting and traveling through the traffic to reach their destination. Nihar gets down happily because he made a new friend and their fare also got shared. Tanay also happily starts searching for a parking space but feels sad as he cannot find any parking space near the road where it doesn't obstruct the public or it's a no parking zone and he can park it safely. He quickly remembers and opens the Hop-on mobile application and looks for the parking suggestions. To his surprise, there is a suggestion to park the car in his office visitor parking itself. He happily parks the car, puts back the key into the key holder, takes a snap of the interiors and locks the car with his phone. He then takes 2 more snaps diagonally from both the sides along with 1 more snap showing the landmarks of the vehicle parking location. He uploads the pillar number or any landmark of the parking in the mobile app and ends his trip. When asked for the feedback about our service, Tanay rated us 5 stars as he was extremely happy.